Alright, so this is another segment of LHT After Hours. You guys have met Sebastian before, right?
Yeah.
You remember everybody?
Yeah.
So, first project is this dog brush. Broke. As you see, this little pin used to go in there. It doesn't go in very far, so as soon as you start brushing the dog, what is our best solution? What do you think we can do to fix this, to make it stronger?
Maybe get like a longer pin.
Like this here?
Like a really long pin. Like maybe about this long.
Yeah. And we'll put it through the handle, try and go in maybe about this far. And then what we'll do is this hole over here, we'll drill that a little bit deeper. Try and make the pin go in there. Alright, so let's go ahead and put that
Alright, I'll hold it.
in the vise. You want me to wind it up?
Yeah. So the way in.
Let's get it tight.
It's coming out from the hot.
Is it twisting out?
Oh, you might want to.
Let's have a go. That looks like it fits in there pretty tight. Now, this rubber looks like it comes off.
Oh my god.
So that just shoves on there.
Yeah.
It's glued on. But this here, this pin, looks like it's glued in there pretty good, so we still need to get that out. And grab onto that pin and grip it together and twist it. Okay, it's moving now. Twist it all the way around in a full circle. You get it? Here, let me go around with it. There you go, that part's coming apart. You alright? Did it trap you?
Whoa.
You show them that? So we have a little threaded piece here, so we still need to get that out. And that looks like it was just pushed on there, so it pushes in the brush. You see that?
It's squished.
It is.
I don't know if you can see this.
Yeah, put your hand behind it like that, and then the camera will focus. You see it? Yeah, press and get it to focus. Alright, so we got the pin out of here. So we need to drill this a little bit bigger and make something go in here and then go in the brush, right? Here we go. We got the pin out of here. So this needs to attach onto here. Now I found this threaded rod right here. This is a 1/4 inch threaded rod.
Yeah.
And it's a little bit smaller than that hole, right?
Yeah.
So
I'm thinking about cutting it right there, maybe?
yeah, actually there's a mark there, but that goes, if we go about there, it goes in about this much, maybe about that far, and then that far in the handle. Alright, so one of the things we're going to need to do before we cut
is safety glasses.
So go ahead and put those on, and let's go over to the saw. Alright, so whereabouts is our line? We're lined up here?
I was just lining up.
Alright, go ahead and put it on the line, and I'll switch the saw on and I'll run it through there. About there?
Wait. Yeah.
About there? Alright.
No, it's scary.
Alright, let go. Let me switch. Take our goggles off now. So we've cut our threaded rod down, so what we need to do is that needs to go in there. So we need to drill that maybe a little bit bigger, right?
Yep.
So let's see, this is 1/4 inch, so we need to go with a smaller drill than 1/4 so it goes in tight. So look at these and see if you can find a 1/4. Do you know which one is a 1/4? So that's a 1/4. That one that says 1/4. That's a 1/4, so we need to go, let's go 2 sizes down. This one right here, what number is that?
7, 3, 2.
7/32. So let me get that one out for you because these drill bits are sharp. So here we go, we're ready. Let's drill this brush first and then we'll test it for the size. So now we have this rag in here. Let's push that in there. Alright, you want to tighten that up a little bit. Go the other way.
The other way?
Tighten it.
This way?
Yeah, don't go real tight. I'll tell you when. A little bit more. Right about there. And then slide that across there. So that's pretty good. So let's get our drill. Let's keep it nice and straight and see if we can go in there.
I think we need them.
What's that?
Maybe if you're going to go fast, maybe we need them, maybe.
You know what? You're right. Go ahead and put some glasses on. Thank you. So do I look like I'm going straight? Alright, so we drilled it down.
Just a little bit more.
See, it goes in that far now.
Yeah.
So we need to
Now try to get...
see if we can drill that.
Yeah, because you like flattened it somehow.
Yeah.
It looks like you just like put it right there and you just like flattened it.
Yeah, I sanded that end, so we need that to screw in there. We need to go in that far. So I'm going to take that out of the vise. You want to undo that? Alright, okay, do you want to tighten it up a little bit?
Yeah.
Just tighten it a little bit. Oh, there you go. Oh,
Maybe a little bit.
no, yeah, it's good. It squashed it a little bit, but it's okay. Let's see if we can drill that plastic.
Hopefully it doesn't go out.
Alright, so this is the glue we're going to use. It's JB Weld. It's the 5-minute epoxy. So what you do is you mix equal parts. So what we're going to do is squirt some out onto here. You're going to put some out of yours, and I'm going to put the same amount. Then we're going to mix it together.
Yeah.
Alright, so this little cap over here, just pull that cap off. It just pulls off. There you go.
I just unscrewed it because I thought that would be a little bit safer.
Yeah, that's okay. Don't screw it. It just pops off. So squirt some about that big. Alright, that's good. Now put your cap back on. Make sure you use the same color cap. You can't mix the caps. So what I gotta do is put the same amount. That just pushes on. Just push that cap on, then it's done. There you go. So let me about that much, and then use that screwdriver and mix them both together.
I can smell smoke. It smells like smoke.
It burns a little bit, but
It burns
and
the
then
other
scrape
side.
it from the sides and bring it into the middle. As we'll put some, I know, a threaded rod right here.
Yeah. And then we screw it in.
Let's do that part first. We've got to work quick because this starts drying.
Yeah, in 5 minutes.
Yeah, by 5 minutes it's dry. So let's get a little bit in that hole. Let's screw that in there. Yeah, we'll do the rubber last. So get our glue on there. Then we're going to put our plastic and screw these
Screw.
together. So I'll put a little bit around the base right here. We're going to go ahead and let that sit. And then when it's all dry, we'll put this guy on. And then we should be good. We'll test it out. We'll brush the dog.
Brush the doggy.
We'll see if it works, alright?
Yeah, if it doesn't, we'll go.
We'll chuck it in the bin. We'll go buy one.
Yeah.
So the moral of the story here is we're not trying to save $1 on a brush, because that's all this was. It was a dollar store brush. Kind of work together. You got some black on your face right here.
Really?
Yeah, on that side. I'll let you know we've been working together. So that's what it's about. It's about doing a little project together. We're going to let this dry, and then we're going to show you our other project.
Yep.
That's going to be more exciting than a brush, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because we're not all about modifying brushes and making them better.
Yeah, we're
The
more
next
for
project
cars.
is better. Cars, that's right. Do you like his t-shirt, by the way? Look at that. That's pretty cool, huh? You know what kind of car it is, right?
S2000?
Ooh, he's good, ain't he? What car's behind me?
Nothing. There's nothing behind
There's
you.
nothing in the shop. It's a Saturday, it's after hours. We don't have any cars in here. The shop's nice and open.
Except
So,
for that one up there.
what's that out there?
A bike.
A bike. I did a video on that bike.
Cool.
That Honda bike. Let me show you it. You want to hold that? You got to keep that moving because when it sits, the glue tries to like run off. So just rotate it nice and slow. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed that video. Hopefully you get the whole gist of the content. It was about working together, and it's also teaching him some skills. He wants to be in the shop, and wants to be involved, and wants to learn stuff, so the easiest way is to just find something to do and get him involved. So if you got a little dude at home or a little girl, bring them into what you're doing. Help wash the car together, vacuum it. If you're gonna change or rotate your tires, get them involved. If they like it, they'll want to do it again. If they don't, well, you know, encourage them in a direction they want to go. But work together. It's good bonding moments, and it's one of those things you never know where it might lead. He might end up working in the shop. He might end up starting his own YouTube channel. It seems like the younger generation are really into YouTube. He watches YouTube all the time. So again, it's kind of a lay the tools out on the table and see which one they pick up and play with. So hopefully you enjoy that. Hopefully you get the nature of it. Hopefully you'll do the same. See you in the next video. Tune in for this car.